Hello, partners. Thanks for time again to join our webinar today. So this is our first time solution share in the first quarter. As you know that NewLink is offers the new software with one-stop communication software with the powerful core functions. And this year we joined some very successful solution in local market, and we think now it is time to introduce to our overseas partners. So, yes. And what's more that we will install our NewLink server in Singapore for the best user experience. So after that, we think that you can still continue your test for our NewLink software. And after this webinar, we will provide the free test lessons to our partners and welcome you to your test and introduce to your local customers. Okay. And today, Joanna from marketing team will introduce the solution for us. And in the end, there will be the QA part. If you have any questions, just discuss with us at the end. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Bella. Thank you again for joining us on the NewRock webinar. Our topic today is the digital workplace, which is based on the NewLink SaaS platform and our OM devices. So during the process, please mute yourself and we can have the discussion after introduction, and you are free to ask us any questions. So our session will divide into 6 parts, and it might take like 30 to 45 minutes. And we are recording this so you can check it later on the YouTube channel of NewRock. So the first part is one app for the future workspace. The first, we will go define what is the future digital workspace and what is NewRock solutions. And for these solutions, we have like 4 major features. They are convenient, efficient, and safe and smart. And the final part is our related product. So let's go through the first part, the solution background. What is the solution? What is a digital workplace and how do you describe it? And what is the future workspace solutions? So we're gonna say, and as we can see, many enterprises have chosen to move their services to the cloud. And so the service providers have provided different functions of cloud services to enterprise, from the AI to the metaverse and to the data securities. So based on the NewRock solutions, we use the information technology and cloud computing to virtualize the real office space. We want to deliver our customers a collaborative work experience as they are still in the office. So we say we have the 4 major features: convenient, efficient, secure, and smart. For the first part, let's check. Convenient. We will see an overview of our future workspace. It's like one app. You use the NewLink and OM device. So we can see from the cloud server perspective, you can have the NewLink and OM IP-PBX, which NewLink is on cloud and PBX is on-premise deployed. And the first is we have the work from home stuff, we have the mobile stuff. So we prepared collaboration and call functions for them. And we can have this customer service center, which they can actually deploy a very flexible and mobile service center on their PCs and make inbound and outbound calls. And we will see all these features in the later introduction. And we have these AI features, which we cooperate with a major player in China based on the NewLink's open APIs. And we have the UMS, which is prepared for the channel partners to manage all the device, and for the enterprise IP stuff, IT stuff, I'm sorry. So we see the overviews, and we have different departments and different functions, which can utilize our functions in different scenarios. The first one is our server rooms, and for staff, we have mobile extensions, we have the customer service center, we have the work from home stuff, which can use the collaborations, and we have the meetings in the office, also when they are remote working. And the final is the unified management system, which is you can unify the management all the devices in your communication system. So one app is have all of these features. The next one, we see the topology, which is a technical topology of how this system works. So Newlink is based on our Singapore server and is on the public cloud. And OM IP-PBX is in the office. Users can choose different size of OM to meet their office extension requirement. So so in the office, you can see the mobile stuff and all your terminals. So let's see the specific features of let's say the convenient part. It is easy to install and you can scan to connect. So the first, let's say the OM part, which is easy to install. We have our web API allow users has this basic knowledge about this machine, which it can follow the instructions on our manuals and do this plug and play installations to power up and connect to the network. And you can, when you utilize the OM IP-PBX, you can actually use all the necessary office phone system features, such as the customized RVR, intelligent call distribution, the mobile extension, the voice message, and the call recordings. And the second is scan to connect. Newlink is an app, and we have improved its easy to use features, which you can actually download the app and register as an administration and scan QR code to combine your OM device and Newlink together. So this is the web page where you can scan code and connect. So by doing this, you can combine your staff's extension numbers and Newlink together to enable the call functions from the app. So the third part is efficient. This part I want to illustrate detailed because we have many features on this part. It's simple and powerful, bigger and clear is for the whiteboard. You can quickly set up the LDAP. Also, you can use HD meetings. You can use the mobile cell phones with the mobile call center, and with the UMS, you can see the multi-dimensional data. Also, we provide the pure wireless small office solutions. So the first one is we can say it's simple and easy to use. Newlink, the cloud combined the collaboration features, conference features together, and with the OM, you can utilize the call features. And we support many terminals and platforms, from cell phone to the PC and to the conference Max Hub. And we can see it supports the Mac, Android, and Windows. Also, with Newlink's open API platform, you can dock to the third-party softwares and do the integrations, such as the AI ability, the CRM, and the cloud PBX. So here is a whiteboard. During the meeting, often we want to share our creative ideas with teammates. So you can use the whiteboard, which you can share during the meeting to display your creative ideas, and you can co-editing with your team. And also this is realizable. So compared to the traditional whiteboard, not only you can interact with your team members, you can actually download and save the files. So the third feature is the LDAP. We compare the traditional LDAP deployment function and compare it with Newlink. What we want to do is to simplify this process. So first we can see the normal problems that you might encounter during the LDAP. First, you need to set up a LDAP server and you need to configure it with your PBX. Then you need to connect the PBX and your LDAP. Then you set up all the contact informations and do the configuration on your phones, and ultimately the users will have access to this contact book. So with Newlink, we actually simplify this process. Because Newlink has multi-level enterprise contact book, which has multi-level, the users, when he sign in on department, it will automatically have this structure of contact book, so that so you can utilize LDAP at the back end of Newlink, and then you can do the configurations on your phones, which we have estimation it might save 80% of the time to configure this LDAP function. So next one is the HD meetings. Unix meetings support multi-scenarios and multifunctional, and it's very secure and safe. So first of all, it supports multi-terminals from PC to the Max Hub. And from the multi-scenarios, it means you can do the teleconference, video conference, and group meetings. You can set up a department meeting, or you can set a regular meeting that happens on any days of the week. So for the meeting, for functions in meeting, you can actually do the share screens. You can do the record. The management of the meeting can record and invite and do all the management of meeting functions during the meeting. The last is multiple rules, because it supports multiple platforms and devices. So the team member can join the meeting anytime, anywhere. And also, not only we do this inside meetings, you can incite outsiders of the enterprise to join your meetings by teleconference or video conference. So this is an upgrade compared to the last year's version. And the next one is the mobile, the soft phones, which is also called the mobile extensions, which when you install Newlink on your smartphones, on your PC, or iPad, you can actually use your device to answer your desktop mobile phone calls. So how this works is because you need to, if a staff has his extension numbers, you need to set up on the OM IP-PBX and Newlink. So the Newlink will work like a soft phones, and which is the mobile extension, allow the users to call from anytime and anywhere. Because we use the company's PBX to connect to the PSTN, so all the numbers show outside will be the company's official phone number, which can provide the staff's private phone numbers. And also you can check all the call histories from the multi-terminals from the device you have, like phones and PCs. Also the IT managers can also see their call histories. The next one is the mobile service center. We realize that many staff, especially the customer center staff, can't go back to office because the emergency of the COVID-19, and they have to work from home. So with Newlink, you can actually use your PC as a small call center. You installation the app on your PC, and you can actually dial the outbound phone numbers from your PCs. So it's very quick to set up and has many call features like the call pop-up, the call log, and it can interconnect with the CRMs. By doing this, you can reduce your phone call cost because you don't have do many complicated setups during the during move your customer call center to their homes. So there is no additional investment and additional line required. Also, we can do the unified management because we have this statistic report at the Newlink management portals. So the managers can see the usage of their phone calls. And the next part is for the very large enterprise, the unified management system, because when you have hundreds of devices, it would take a lot of time to manage and maintain and configure them. So with Newlink, we support the remote management and batch configurations, which you can upgrade the system just with UMS. And also for the partners who has many other distributors, they can do this multi-level authority management, because at different level, you can see the different kind of informations. You can realize the real-time online monitoring of all the devices and their usage. This picture is of the UMS screen, which is suited for the hundreds of devices. You can see from one picture and how the system works. And for the Newlink, we can have the meeting frequency visualization, which you can monitor the organization how many meetings in 1 week, and you can see the durations of the meetings. So for this management tools have more meaning for the management level and for the IT managers, because you can it realize the data collection, integration, management, and analysis together. So you can have a report of how this communication system works. You can discover the abnormal usages and fault terminals in time. Which we go to the next efficient features, the pure wireless solutions. So there's no cable required and there's no mess. Users can choose to use the cloud PBX or OM IP-PBX on their office. And we provide this type of wireless phones, the NRP 2020, and to build these wireless office systems. Compared to the traditional ones, it is more easier to configure and manage. So the fourth part, we're going to talk about the secure mechanism in the Newlink and OM. We use multi-layer encryptions and we protect users' sensitive data. And we have this disaster recovery mechanism to ensure the communication system works fine. So let's see each of them. The first one is secure and reliable. We do the channel encryption, content encryption, and server data encryptions for the Newlink data. So the extra attackers cannot steal their video call data or their chat call data, and protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the user's data. And for the group meetings, we have this SRTP encryption method. So it is comply with the international security standards, and we prevent data leakage. And attackers from outside can't steal the data and intercept their sensitive informations of the meeting. So next is the local storage. Because the OM IP-PBX is based on the user side, so all the sensitive messages such like name, age, address, and call log, countable, the customer infos will be stored on the premise device. It will not be transferred up to the public cloud. So we can prevent the sensitive data from malicious attack and leakage. The next one is reliable. Actually, when the cloud, with the server in the cloud is misfunction, users can still utilize their communication abilities in the locals, because IP-PBX and Newlink, the IP-PBX is actually will not be affected by the cloud function. They can still quickly recover from the dysfunction of Newlink and still have this abilities to make full inbound and outbound phone calls. So this is pretty much the secure and reliable part. And next one, we go We'll go very quickly about this AI because we require a third party to realize these functions. So the AI has been play a more and more important roles in the daily work. So you can use AI to create content, to turn voice into text, and do the smart diagnosis in the hospitals. So we have worked with a major player in the China who has this AI voice platform, and we provide smart enterprise hotel and hospital solutions to our customers. So this is for the transfers. The AI will be on duty for the non-working hours and transfer the calls to guide customers to leave message. And this one is for the hotel staff. It is a virtual hotel receptions, which can answer the regular inquiries of the hotels and do the quickly dispatch of the tasks. So the next one is the hospital. It's also a reception rules of which is AI. It can quickly connect to the department and all the doctors you want to find, and you can have this data analysis and call forwarding features of the virtual hotel assistant. So this is basically much of the AI part, which Newlink provide open API to cooperate with the AI companies. And next one is our related digital product. First of all, we will see an overview of all the product that is related. The first one is the left one is the cloud services, which like the UMS software and Newlink, they are all cloud-based. And the left is our devices, which the OM IP-PBX, from the smaller one to the larger ones. And we have the office terminals, which we want to bring our customers a one-stop solutions. So this is the UMS as we introduced previous on the on earlier pages. So you can monitoring all the device status on the screen, and you can do the configurations, maintenance, and operations on the UMS. So the second product is Newlink. It is a full scenario office communication tools. It is flexible and support HD meetings, and it have practical functions. It has 20 collaboration features, which the wire transfer, the group chat, and the collaborative whiteboard. And we have the meetings for different scenarios. The third one is OM IP-PBX, from the small to the large, which suit for different sizes of enterprises, from the 20 users to the 1,000 users. The next is all the terminals, like the IP phones, from the entry level to the high-end level video phones, and also the Wi-Fi phones. It supports HD voice and it suits for multiple scenarios and has this technical designs. All the devices we mentioned earlier can be managed by the Newlink UMS, which is easy for the distributors and large enterprise to manage all their devices. So pretty much this is our whole digital workspace solutions, the products that are related and all the features it has. So it is based on the Newlink and OM IP-PBX. So this is our vision that we want to bring our customer a one-stop digital workspace solutions. So thank you.